this video, I'll be telling you about the books you can refer to while preparing for NEET. So let's start. First, we'll talk about biology. These are all the books that I use. First one is NCERT for both class 11th and class 12th. It is the most important book for NEET. 95% of questions come from NCERT. The second one is NCERT at Your Fingertips by MTG. It is also a very good book for practicing MCQs related to NCERT. It has different questions like NCERT example problems, assertion reasoning, and at the back there are hints and solutions also. The third one is Biology for NEET by S. Chand. It comes in both the volumes for class 11th and class 12th. This you can use it as an additional book because it contains so many questions and a lot of questions are way beyond NCERT. So first you must be thorough with NCERT and then you should practice this. The fourth one is a book by Arihant Publications. It contains 31 years previous year questions of AIPMT and NEET, and as they are a must for NEET, so this book is very helpful. Now let's move on to physics. The first book is again NCERT. NCERT for every subject is very important. You can also use any other module that has content similar to NCERT if you have any. The second book is H.C. Verma. I know most of you would have heard about it. So this book should be used when you want to know a concept or any topic in depth. To be honest, I have used this book only for some chapters. The third one is A to Z Physics for NEET, and this book I discovered a while ago and I found it very useful. This book has so many questions for practicing. It contains questions on each subtopic from every chapter. Also, it has all the previous year questions too, along with the solutions and hints. There are also chapter end tests along with the complete syllabus tests at the back. At the beginning of every chapter, there is summary and the concepts of the chapters are explained in brief too. The fourth book is Objective Physics by D.C. Pandey. This book also contains questions mostly relating to NCERT and it has solutions at the back. Now let's finally talk about chemistry. Again, the first one is NCERT for chemistry. This is the most important book. Almost 80% of the questions come directly from NCERT. Especially for inorganic chemistry, NCERT is the Bible. Now the next book is Problems in Physical Chemistry by Narendra Awasthi. I highly recommend this book. Like, you must get this book. It has all the formula at the beginning of the chapter and then comes the questions. There are 3 levels and I think you must get this book for practicing all kind of questions. The next one is J.D. Lee for Inorganic Chemistry. I haven't used it much, but you can use it for practicing questions. The next one is Organic Chemistry for NEET by M.S. Chauhan. Again, this is a great book for practicing all kinds of questions and some of the questions are beyond NCERT too. Again, this is the previous year questions and they are very important, so it is very useful. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.